5 Best Learn and Earn Crypto Programs. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Binance earns and learns. As the biggest crypto exchange in the world, Binance has a great Learn and Earn crypto program. You can earn crypto while learning on Binance, but there are a couple of conditions. Binance Learns and Earn program is only available to new Binance users who sign up and verify their account within 3 days. CoinMarketCap Earn. CoinMarketCap isn't a crypto exchange, but it is the leading crypto price tracking website. It's visited by millions of users every day looking for a variety of popular and less common coins and tokens to see how they're performing in the market. You can earn crypto through CoinMarketCap Earn. Phemex Learns and Earns. Phemex has an awesome crypto learn and earn program. Phemex Learn works a little differently from the above programs. You'll still watch videos, complete quizzes, and get your rewards. But instead of getting a specific cryptocurrency, you'll get US dollars credited to your Phemex account for you to invest in a cryptocurrency of your choice. Cake DeFi Learn and Earn. Last, but by no means least, is Cake DeFi Learn and Earn. Like all of the above, you'll complete modules to earn different cryptocurrencies. Revolut Learns and Earns. Revolut is a popular and secure payment app that also supports crypto. To help investors into the crypto market, Revolut has a great Learn and Earn program within their app that's easy to use. All you need to do is navigate to the crypto section of the Revolut app and select the Learn and Earn course you'd like to do. You learn and earn rewards that will then be credited to your account. BitDegree Learn Drops. BitDegree is more than just a learn and earn program. The whole platform is dedicated to helping anyone, anywhere learn about cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, whether they want to further their career or simply want to learn more about an investment. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.